Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linux Pro and this is lab 8.10.5 and we are going to add file permissions. So a change in company policy requires users in the HR group to make changes to the files in the /HR directory. Complete this lab from the terminal. To end this lab, your task is to give the right group permission to the files in the /HR directory in addition to any existing permission. Use the ls command to verify the changes. Alright, so that is all we need to do in this lab. Let's go ahead and start up lab. So we'll wait for the lab to load. In the meantime, if by the end of this video you find this video to be helpful to you, you might also want to consider joining my professional membership where you have detailed video guidance on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all by clicking on the join button in this video. Also consider liking and subscribing to the channel so you have access to a vast number of the educational videos I have on how to solve any lab at all. So let us open the terminal, and the terminal is open. From the first task, we're going to type in chmod space g+w space /HR /***, then you press enter and then you type in ls space dash la /HR and you press enter. Alright, so we'll go ahead and score lab. Now, in case you find this video to be helpful, also consider joining my professional membership where you have detailed access on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all. Share this video on other educational platforms so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will definitely see you in my next video.